Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Hi. I'm Sarah, the new marketing assistant. It's great to meet you.
Hi Sarah, welcome to the team. I'm Alex. How are you finding your first day so far?
Thanks, Alex. Everyone has been really friendly, and I'm excited to get started. I'm still getting used to where everything is, though.
Don't worry, it can take a little while. Is there anything specific you need help with?
Actually, I was wondering about the team's workflow. Could you give me an overview of how things usually operate around here?
Sure thing. Generally, we start each day with a team meeting to discuss priorities. Then, we work on individual tasks or collaborate on projects depending on deadlines.
Got it. Are there any tools or software programs I should familiarize myself with?
Yes, we primarily use Trello for project management. I can show you the basics after lunch if you'd like.
That would be fantastic, thanks. By the way, is there a company policy regarding lunch breaks? What about office hours and break times?
Our core hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but there's flexibility if you need it. Lunch breaks are usually around noon for an hour, but feel free to adjust based on your workload.
Good to know. I appreciate all the information, Alex. Is there anything else important I should be aware of as I start?
We have a team meeting every Friday evening to discuss ongoing projects and upcoming campaigns. As for events, we have a quarterly company-wide meeting next month.
Perfect. Thanks for clarifying, Alex. I'm eager to jump in and start contributing.
You will do great, Sarah. Just take your time to settle in and don't hesitate to ask questions. We're here to help you succeed.
Thanks again, Alex. I'm looking forward to working with you and the team.
Likewise, Sarah. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and share this video.